Okay, so when I landed my first job as an analyst, I thought I had it all figured out, you know. Good salary, clear tasks, and a fancy job title, but honestly, I was clueless about what this career really demands and how different it is from what they teach in books. One thing I wish I knew earlier, your degree helps you get in the door. But your real value comes from how well you turn messy data into clear stories. I spent way too much time trying to make perfect charts and dashboards instead of focusing on answering the business questions. You have to start with the end goal in mind. Ask yourself, what do people need to know and what decisions do they need to make? Then work backward from there. Trust me, it's all about telling a story with your analysis. So focus on the insights, not just the pretty visuals. Another big lesson I learned is that communication beats technical skills. I thought that if I just mastered Excel, SQL, or Python, I'd be the star analyst. But my biggest growth came from learning how to explain complex insights to people who don't speak data. If they don't understand you, your work means nothing. Take the time to learn how to communicate your findings clearly and make sure your audience walks away with a better understanding of the problem and your proposed solutions. I also wish someone had told me earlier how important it is to manage expectations. When I started out, I wanted to prove myself, so I'd often overpromise and say, yes, I'll deliver this analysis by tomorrow, but I quickly learned that cleaning bad data takes time, like a lot of time. And I ended up spending a week trying to make sense of things that didn't even matter. So I learned the hard way to set realistic deadlines and push back when needed. It's better to deliver one great analysis on time than 5 mediocre ones that are late. Your reputation and credibility are on the line, so don't take shortcuts. Lastly, I underestimated how fast tools and industries change. What was cool yesterday might be old news today. So it's more important than ever to learn how to learn. You won't remember every tool you've used in 10 years, but your ability to think critically, ask the right questions, and connect the dots will always keep you valuable. So if you're planning to become an analyst, watch this until the end. I'm sharing what I wish I knew so you can skip my mistakes, grow faster, and stand out as a trusted analyst in any company.